something is safe for the establishment of a sovereign democratic republic of India. The proposed Constitution of India came into force although the independence from the British rule was achieved on 15 August 1947. The Indian Constitutional Assembly met on December 9, 1946. The Assembly met appointed a number of committees to report on the work aspects of the proposed Constitution. The Indian Constitution was finally with 395 articles and 8 schedules and was adopted by the Constitution Assembly on November 26, 1949. The Indian Republic officially came into being on January 26, 1950. January 26 was not some random date picked out of the calendar. It was on this 26th January. It was on this date 1927 that the Indian National Congress, then fighting its non-violence with the freedom voters for complete independence against dominant status. It was then complete independence.
வாங்கிக்க சீக்கிரம். மைக்கு நீ பிடிமா, நித்யா மைக்கு பிடி. அவங்களுக்கு வாங்கிட்டு போய் அவளுக்கு வைமா நீ. சார் நீங்கள் பிடிங்க சார். நீ படிடு.
Fighting its non-violent war for freedom voters for complete independence against dominant status. It was the date when members of the Indian National Congress took the pledge to work towards a sovereign democratic republic of India. After the Constitution was written and adopted on November